welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are preparing chicken stew, brown chicken stew. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I prep it. This is what I'm going to be using today. This is my bell pepper. I already cut it up, sliced up already in cube like this. That's how you're going to get it. The red one, my onions, my ginger and garlic, my chicken already sliced up into thin pieces, soy sauce, my browning sauce, oil, chicken broth, that's going to be my base. This is my cornstarch to thicken the sauce, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and the last but not least, my Maggie cube, okay, to kick up the taste. So let's begin. Alright guys, so this meal I'm prepping takes less than 20 minutes. 20 minutes is all you need to prep this delicious meal for your family. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up my pot. Heat it up nicely. We're going to add our oil, about a tablespoon, because you don't need a whole lot of oil. Make sure it's nice and hot. Start by adding our ginger, our garlic. Reduce the heat. Our chicken goes in next. Okay, so our chicken is cooking nicely. You're gonna leave it in here for at least maybe 2 more minutes because you need to get that chicken to brown. I forgot to mention salt. Who cooks without salt? I don't know, but salt too. Alright, so our chicken is just about done. We're now going to add our onions. Cook that for 1 minute. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead. We're going to add our veggie. so pretty, nice and colorful. Alright, so at this time we are going to start adding our seasoning. You're going to add your black pepper, you add your onion powder, you add your garlic powder, our salt, pinch of that, and then we're going to cook that together for 3 minutes. Bring up the heat. Alright, so we're going to cook this for 3 minutes because you don't want it to overcook. You don't want the veggie to overcook. I like my bell pepper kind of crunchy. So now we are going to add this is our chicken stock. Alright, so this is our chicken stock. We will now add our soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon of that here. We'll add our browning sauce, into the chicken stock. Now we're going to add that our cornstarch. We're going to give it a whistle. Turn it around so you could make sure all the little bumps is all in there. Now we're going to add our chicken stock mixed in with everything else in there. Just trying to thicken the sauce now. Last thing we're going to put in now is our cube, our Maggie. You can use whatever cube you want. You can use a chicken cube, or I prefer to use beef. Alright guys, so we have added our Maggie cube. Everything is going to cook together in less than 2 minutes. This meal will be ready in less than 2 minutes. I mean, like I know I said 10 minutes, 20 minutes and all that. It doesn't take no more than that to prep this. A meal a family can love, your loved ones will love to eat. So try the recipe, share with family and friends. Holidays is coming up soon, so let's start learning how to cook different dishes, guys. Just give it a taste. Oh my God, this is so good. Okay guys, our brown chicken stew is ready to serve. We'll serve it with rice however you like to eat it. I prefer mine with the rice. Nice. Try this recipe. You will love it, trust me. Alright guys, so this is our chicken stew. Brown chicken stew actually. So it's done. So please share this video with your family and friends. Try this recipe, you will love it. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.